What's up, YouTube? Ever Blessed Family TV is back at you again.
While the Akino, baby, the island on the shelf. Do not burn up yourself.
Yo, I am a foodie, and I'm.
Yes, we are all living blessing family. Like, subscribe, and share.
What's up, YouTube? Ever Blessed Family. It is a sad Beryl Wednesday. Should I give her this honor? But today, guys, it's Tucker's Fair. One of the most busiest supermarket you can find, and there's a lot in the game. And how surprising to see the calmness of Spanish Town today, guys. Today I will be riding through. Surprisingly, the country is in hurricane mood vibes, and this year I'm just gonna show to you guys as to how the town look as everyone prepare for the wrath of Hurricane Beryl. Is a female. How bad can she be? But guys, we're just riding through Spanish Town, guys, and just to show you the preparation mode this place is in. Just hoping that as you guys come across this video, it will find you in a comfortable place, well prepared for this storm that is about to hit us. This is Spanish Town, guys, and everywhere is closed, and everyone is prepared. Is this elephant prepared? Look at him. I'm just showing you the truth, guys. Just ride through this place. Now I have no choice but to ride to the actual and to show you guys as to this is Hilo Shopping Center, guys. This is closed. So for the persons who didn't get them wanting a mackerel and then 2 pound of rice, everywhere closed this hour of the morning, guys. See, Hilo Shopping Center in Spanish Town is being opened up, preparing for dangerous Beryl. Look at this, guys. Everyone is cutting down. What say you? Look at this place, guys. There's 1 and 2 people fishing around. 1 and 2 people fishing around, guys. Look at Spanish Town, guys. Look at. Look at this place. 1 and 2 taxi you can. So if you have somewhere to go today, hey. Mexico gas station, guys. Normally would be a busy place. Not so today. Yeah, 1 and 2 taxi still committed to the cost to transport a couple people. Taxi man, you got to check. Look at Spanish Town, guys. Look at this place. Look at that. That's good. 1 and 2, that's tasty, guys. If you want a pasta, get your personal. The lady saying get your personal. That means you must be prepared. Wow, they get their laugh. Can't go through this. This is Spanish Town bus park, guys. Spanish Town bus park. Oh, my people, my people, my people. Is this the calm before this storm? I'm just going through, guys, and just to showcase to you as to the preparation mode that the country is in. Look at this place. This is the Spanish Town bus park, guys. Normally, it would be buzzing. Not today. Beryl, is this country preparing for you? I've watched a couple of clips, guys, and from St. Vincent's and Grenadines and all over the Caribbean, and see what the storm has done to that country. I'm just hoping and praying that Jamaica has nothing like that to face. Beryl, slow down. Ever blessed. He's living in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm on Joe. And that is the JUTC bus park, guys, over there. Not one bus inside, not one person to be seen. This is wow. Ever blessed people. That is KFC, guys. KFC is not a normal place that would open that early, but it is closed. Bashko, serving no one today, guys. Serving no one today. Something to hear my family. This is me G in a Spanish Town, preparing for what a woman named Beryl, dangerous. Are you prepared, bro?
May I tell you?
Are you prepared?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
You know what I noticed? Anyone who didn't buy them tin and mackerel yesterday, get knocked today. Because everywhere locked.
Everywhere closed.
Bro, be safe.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
Respect.
Every time. Ever live some in a place, eh?
Alright.
Ever bless people. Yeah, here guys. This is Mother's. Yeah, man. And Mother says, no visitors today. Oh, the plate. Oh, yes. We have food. Jamie G, are you still alive?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
You mind being on camera?
Wouldn't mind being on the camera.
Yeah. Guys, this is the only place from the start. I start vlogging 20 minutes ago, and this is the only place that I see that could see you if you want. If you're right by you come by Mother's, you have tomato, you have sweet pepper, you have hot pepper, you have carrot, you have Irish, you have beetroot, you have garlic, you have sweet pepper. Everything that you can find, they're right there. And this is the only place in Spanish Town, guys. Check out. Hey, guys.
So a video.
Yes, brother. I'm a YouTuber. I go by the name Ever Blessed Family. I'm gonna showcase the calmness of Spanish Town before the bad girl. I wonder if we are beginning up too much. Come say something. Come talk to me, people, brother. Come tell me how if you prepare for the bad girl. Yeah.
Right, I'm going mommy prepare them, but that's the I go on.
Oh, mommy prepare.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy prepare for you. You have to move that camera, bro.
Move that camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, mommy prepare, man.
Mommy prepare.
Yeah.
And when you say mommy prepare, you know what I say? That's the reason why mommy didn't get so much big up on Mother's Day.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. You know, like.
You hear you? I couldn't about mommy prepare.
Tell me to put some stone on the house, stop.
Oh, you should get some. Bro, you should have. No, you should have gotten some sand, bro, in bag.
Yes.
Get the sand in the bag.
yeah.
And you put it on the end of the zinc. One of the best way to prepare. Bro, did you see what it does to Grenada?
Boy, boss,
St. Vincent?
Boss, me don't say nothing.
Brother,
Since the I'm not sure my friend one clip of Barbados.
Barbados, brother, might be that better for you if you don't take no look.
You know what? Yeah, you know what me I say, can't see that. But I say she take look, I'm not gonna know me not too far.
Bro, he rip up the place. They report there is that 95% of the houses there ruined.
Right, them have to build back a circle.
Whoa,
You know, say, try to have a life. Because some people lose them life, said they.
True. So just hoping that that by the time him enter Jamaica waters, him say, hold on, they not Jamaica this man. Yes, we can't manage the 5.
Pepper, daily pepper.
We can't manage the 4, bro.
200 a dozen.
Can't manage the 4. Can't manage. Ever bless people.
Yeah, man,
check out yourself now, bro. You're on YouTube.
Yeah,
Ever
no
bless
problem.
family.
No, man. No problem.
And please subscribe and share with your friends.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, man, come and curry, man. Come and curry.
What's your name?
Come and curry, man.
A curry?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, a Coronation Market.
Come and curry, man.
Lord Jesus, bro, but I tell you, it's the only place in Spanish Town. I've been riding for the past 20 minutes, and this is the first place. Anyway, check out Everbless family a little more. I used to go showcase the place, and I hope that after we put it out today, you have to go employ some people to help yourself, because you're the only one. You're the only one, bro. But I'm still gonna advise you to be safe. Be safe, bro. And prepare for your country. Yes, ever blessed people. This is it. Everywhere close. And the brother they say, me not close to my place. Me I go supply the people. Everywhere close, guys. So that little section there, you can get your food supply, guys. But as I traverse through the town, I also noticed that the place is very messy. I don't understand why the place is so messy. I thought we should have had some cleaning up yesterday to last night, guys, because after this storm, this mess is gonna blow all over the place. Are you in agreement with me, guys, to say that this place should have cleaned up yesterday? Big up, are you prepared for this storm here? Yeah, man. The place is very messy, guys, so deal with that. See, everywhere else is closed, guys. Everywhere else is closed. Just the one place. And me, ever bless a ride show up on my bicycle. Yeah, guys. See, guys, everywhere. So this chapel in here, blow down in the walkway. Unless we can ride over it, and nobody don't come. We walk over it, guys. This chapel in is down. The owner need to come and sort it out. This is it, guys. Preparation mode for Hurricane Beryl. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean, you come to Jamaica and you build houses. Now is the time. I think we're gonna need you. Yes, my G. I'm a YouTuber. I go to you want to shout out. Give a shout out to preparation. Yeah, man. Me I look on the preparation to see how everybody our market set up and things.
Tomorrow or Friday.
Tomorrow.
Or Friday.
God go with us.
Yo, if God go with us, we're just hoping. So you want to say anything to anyone out there in order to prepare? I forget the preparation.
We just want everybody to stay safe.
Yes.
34 alone.
Just stay safe.
Yeah. Camera, bro.
We're not flipping out
If you don't want to be in, you
we
can
just
walk
want
out.
everybody
We attack you right now.
We're
stay
preparing.
safe and pray.
Yes, I key that.
I key that prayer.
Yeah.
Watch your rain come going around and be alone. See you.
Yeah. Wow, go on, Mr. Try. Oh, go on. You want to go on camera? Okay. Perfect. Okay, big up yourself, big up yourself. Everyone is in preparation mode, guys. The rain is coming down right now, and we are still patrolling through this place, guys, to see how the place has been prepared. That means, when we look and see this, that means Jamaica prepared. Mr. Try, big up yourself, my G. My subscriber. From the beginning?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean? Guys, there's a bar that is open. Oh, surprisingly. A bar is open for the first bar, guys. Oh, wow, wow. Oh, what's the second place open, guys? And my friend is here open showcase. So come to the lane. Good morning, subscribe. Now watch with my camera. Got no problem with it? Guys, I'm showcasing this place, guys. There's a lumber shop in the market where you come close by and you get your lumber material for building the furniture and all of that. We're still in Spanish Town Market, guys, and this is the second person that I come across that has her stuff spot out. And this lady says she's not out for the selling right now. She's removing her stuff to a safer place where she know that after the after party, well, then she did. She's my subscriber, guys. $200. And I can see she has a customer there being prepared for the after party, for the preparation of Beryl.
Alright, guys.
Pick up yourself.
Sorry.
Just be safe. Be safe to Marie.
Or the Irish.
How you doing today?
Irish $200 a pound.
Okay. May I roll show, yeah?
Jesus, take the video. Roger, how you left is something them out there for something.
So this is on camera, guys. So subscribe. Rolling through. They're rolling through. And this place is lonely. Hardly have anyone to talk to in this market, guys. Normally this area would be buzzing at the time of the day. Everywhere it's closed. Guys, this is Young Street. This is Young Street. Everywhere is closed. Morning, my friend. I'm on YouTube. You want to say hi to the world? Okay. You don't want to? Send a message to somebody to be prepared. Okay. Ever Blessed Family. You can check out Ever Blessed Family on YouTube. And you will see what you missed today. I was gonna show you beauty walking down the street. You change your mind? Okay. Ever Blessed people. There's hardly anyone to talk to in this town. Mommy, be safe. Pick up yourself, G. See, guys, everywhere you look, it's just loneliness, guys. So I've traveled. This is a funeral home, guys, and they are preparing as well. Pick up yourself, G. Ever Blessed Family TV. Okay. Check out that, see? Alright. They're walking up the street, guys. They're walking in the middle of the street. No car to interfere with them. And now at this point, guys, I'm on Young Street. I'm going down Young Street. For anyone who knows Spanish Town and knows Spanish Town well, this is Young Street, Spanish Town. Ever Blessed people. What a morning. What a moment. Everyone is in preparation mode for Hurricane Beryl. Ever Blessed people. I have a one window. I have a board it up now. Yeah, man. I should have board up from last night. Busy. This is another funeral home, guys. Called Young Funeral Home. 1 and 2 cars traverse through. Matters again, guys. This is the place that you get all of your food. See, guys. Lonely place, guys. Ever Blessed people. As this vlog will come to an end, I'm just gonna encourage you guys to, as we prepare for the passing of Beryl, I'm just gonna encourage you guys to stay indoors. No matter what the circumstances may, please stay indoors. And I'm gonna give a big shout out to all all my subscribers, all of my supporters, I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna encourage you guys to stay safe, stay blessed, and ever blessed family. TV is saying goodbye for now, as we still gonna say we shout out to Youths on the Rise Records, guys. This is, I'm gonna ask a few guys to support Youths on the Rise Records YouTube